Welcome back to the Voice of Mathematics. In our today's lesson, we're going to answer question 8 from a past paper or from Mathematics paper 2, which was written in 2015. And the question reads, answer the whole of this question on a graph paper. A. The variables x and y are connected by the equation y equal to x squared over 6 plus 12 over x minus 6. The table below shows some corresponding values of x and y. The values of y are given correct to 2 decimal place, or to 1 decimal place rather. Calculate the value of p correct to 1 decimal place. Let's calculate the value of p correct to 1 decimal place there using the formula which we've been given, y equal to x squared over 6 plus 12 over x minus 6. Okay, that is y equal to x squared over 6 plus 12 over x minus 6. We replace, we say okay, p equal to y, we know that, which is equal to, we replace the value which we've been given for x, 6.5 there. So 6.5 squared over 6 plus 12 over 6.5 minus 6 equal to p is equal to 2.9 as the value there. We go to the next question. Using a scale of 2 centimeters to represent 1 unit on each axis, draw the graph of y equal to x squared over 6 plus 12 over x minus 6. Let's draw the graph of that equation there on the graph paper. Over there on the graph paper is the diagram, it's the graph that we have drawn of this equation, y equal to x squared over 6 plus 12 over x minus 6. So let's go to the next question. By drawing a tangent, find the gradient of the curve at the point 6, 2. Let's find the gradient of the tangent at 6, 2 on our graph there. Over there, that straight line there, from here to there is the tangent to the point 6, 2, and the gradient of that one is m is equal to y2 minus 1 over x2 minus x1. And when we replace the values there, we are going to find that the gradient is equal to 0.8. Let's go to the next question. On the same axis, draw the graph of the straight line y equal to x over 4. Hence, solve the equation x squared over 6 plus 12 over x minus 6 equal to x over 4. Let's solve the equation there on the same graph. Okay, to answer the question on the graph, first and foremost, let's make a table there. Make a table for x and y. So we'll pick the values for x, 0 and 4, and replace them in the equation y equal to x over 4. So we replace 0, we have y is equal to 0. So we have 0, 0. and when we replace 4 in the equation we have 1, so we have 4 comma 1. So since it's a straight line, we can plot it. So let's go to the graph there, 0 comma 0 there, and 4 comma 1 is there, and we draw a straight line using a rule on the pencil. Okay, after plotting now, we can see that actually these two graphs are meeting there and there, and to answer the questions we just have to dot it down and find out where they are meeting. So I've found x is equal to 2.1, and with this point I've found that x is equal to 5.6 as my answers there. For x squared over 6 plus 12 over x minus 6 equal to x over 4. Let's now answer the B part. Mofu, Copper, and Nora are partners in business. Mofu owns 50% of the shares, while Copper and Nora own the remaining shares equally. Given that Mofu's shares are valued at 1,800 kwacha, calculate the sum of all the shares. And 2, express the shares of Mofu, Copper, and Nora as a ratio in the simplest form.